Huh? I told them to lead the way. My kids don't listen to me. Stroudsburg got the soul food joint. Did you want some of your greens, Mama?
Did you eat them?
Got that fire grilling back there. Hey family, just another day chilling in the hood. Just another day around the way. Got baby boy driving. Got Zoe in the back. What's in her hands? What's that on her head? We on the way to Stroudsburg, y'all. We gonna hit a spot there, then we gonna go visit some family. Let's go. Let's go. I said let's go. Come on, let's go. Delaware Water Gap. We at the Delaware Water Gap, y'all. And we have a lot of memories here because we normally stop and use the restroom. But I remember, I wish I could show them the video when Zach was little. I'm gonna try to pull that video up. What's going?
Because I wouldn't do that when I was you, because you might fall down on there.
We might fall down there?
I'm not scared.
Oh, okay, we might fall down there.
Well,
Zoe said she's not scared. She's not scared. Okay, we're just gonna walk down the stairs, Zach. Come on, buddy.
I wouldn't do that when I was you because you might fall down there.
I'm not scared.
Zoe's not scared. You're not scared, Zoe? All right, y'all, we're gonna walk down these stairs just to reminisce when they were babies. Well, y'all lead the way. I told them to lead the way. My kids don't listen to me. I want to bring them back here one day and go canoeing. When we had came down before, Zach had stayed up there when he was little, about 6 years old. He was like, I'm not going down there. Okay, now they want to take pictures, right? That's how kids are, right? You try to get some video, they don't want to do the video. But they want to do their own poses and stuff. I should leave them here. Right up here in the boonies, y'all. Stroudsburg got the soul food joint. All right, y'all, we're out here in Stroudsburg. We just pulled up to the soul food chest house. Used to be in Newark, New Jersey. Now they're here in Stroudsburg. Look, y'all, I got my big sister with me. She was like, hey, what in the world? What kind of wave was that? Look, we about to go up in here, man, and see what they have for us. Let's go. Soul food hours Sunday through Saturday. 11 to 8, 3 to 8 on Mondays. Let's go up in this joint, see what's happening. Let's see what's happening up here. They got the chairs. Right, but they must be good. I seen that man licking his fingers over there. Cabbage on, something got that fire grilling. All right, y'all, they go our plates right there, all 4 of them. Look, we got extra tartar sauce, hot sauce.
I like that type of fish.
Let's check this out. All right, Norma already didn't like her fish. She didn't even taste it. Here we go, y'all. Look, I got the macaroni and cheese right there.
Oh,
got
you
the
wanted
string
the greens,
beans.
right? Okay.
Got the catfish right there. So I got the catfish and just French fries?
Macaroni.
Oh, and macaroni and cheese too. I got macaroni, so let's go over and see what Zoe got, y'all. You don't want no greens, Mama?
There's that to eat.
Did you want some of your greens, Mama?
Did she eat them all? She can eat them all. Well, you want some?
That's why I was asking. Nobody ever think about me. Never be like, Daddy. And she got the sweet potatoes too, y'all.
She can eat it. You can eat it.
There it is right there, y'all. Got that mac and cheese, string beans, and that fried. That fried catfish looks delicious. I'm gonna tell you, it looks delicious. When my sister first looked at it, she was like, this ain't the type of catfish I like. She didn't even taste it yet. Like, now she's saying it is delicious. Mac and cheese. Oh, it's cheesy, yo. It's got a little cheese pull to it. That's good mac and cheese. You had the mac and cheese? It's official. It's official.
The mac and cheese is good. It tastes like the old.
Let me hold my plate up a little bit. No, I'm gonna say it tastes like the old Chessmans. They are the old Chessmans. Look at it.
The moon way out here.
You can definitely taste the mix of cheeses in here. That was twice my sister asked that, right? Y'all gotta excuse her. Oh, it is. It's mac and cheese. You liking mac and cheese? All right, scale of 1 to 10.
It's like an 8.5, 9.
8.5. You can go lower now because I'll be going lower.
No, I like it though. It's real good.
Give y'all a good look at it. It is. It tastes like mild cheese, sharp cheese. It tastes like some eggs was put in here.
It tastes right.
Not too salty. It is. It's just right. You see, I keep digging into it. I haven't even tried the fish or the green beans yet.
That's all they had to do was have some fish and grits. That's all I needed.
Mac and cheese is official.
Yeah.
Zach gave it an 8.5, 9. You said?
Yeah, 8.5, 9.
Oh, yeah.
Zach said 8.5, 9. Next, I'm gonna go into the green beans. Let's check out the green beans.
They them green beans gonna be grand.
Okay. The green beans okay.
Don't need it.
Nobody else got the green beans. The green beans are okay. Next thing I'm gonna try, I just broke a piece of the catfish, is this catfish. Check it out, check it out. Just pull that piece off right there. These are really big pieces. I got the 1-piece catfish dinner.
It's hot.
The catfish is flavorful. It's really good. Thick. Mm.
Good.
I didn't get my quarterback.
What'd you say, Boo? You like?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Scale of 1 to 10.
I love it.
Zoe said she loves it.
11? Oh.
Love
All
is
together.
Higher. Love is higher than any number.
Zach said love is higher than any number. Love you, cats. They were out of oxtails today, and what else?
The truffle gravy, turkey.
The turkey wings. I was gonna get the oxtail, the turkey wings, but she said they sold out.
That's how you know it's good.
Yeah,
Zoe said that's how you know it's good.
exactly. That's where the boss and them at trying to buy some more. Trying to get out and buy some.
Why you laughing? Because she said the boss out trying to get more. This your man, Matt DV. Signing off from Soul Food Chess House here in Stroudsburg. We're gonna move and see what else we can find in Stroudsburg. Nobody told you they love you today. You're hanging with the wrong people. But you with the right cat now. I love you, cats. Peace. And I'll see you at the next one.
Testing out, signing out,
Why you change your voice when you be talking about
signing out.
Signing out.
My sister said,
Signing out, guys.
Stop lying.
Signing out. See you later.
Like Michael Jackson.
when you looked at the catfish, what made you say that this not the catfish you like?
Big, I like the catfish like.
Oh, you like the nuggets?
Banya's like,
The nuggets.
Banya's got. Yeah. I don't like big nothing.
All right, y'all, we just knocked that out. Soul Food Chess House here in Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania. All right, we're still out here scouting around. We're about to go to this overlook, man. There go my older, that's my only sister back there with Zoe. Zoe's back there. Norma's back there. We're here at the Stroudsburg in Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania. Real nice place, man. Look them up on the internet, Stroudsburg. I did comedy out here one time. That's how I knew about this place. Just out here walking and enjoying.
But it doesn't say any rain is supposed to come. That's the shit.
For me, nothing beats family time and capturing precious moments.